Wow, I can't believe this stuff has been here for 3,000 years. Oh my god. Shut up, Nancy. That was louder than it needed to be, Percy. Busted, Nancy. Sorry, Mr. Brunner. Yeah, going off what Percy said, Kronos was the king of the Titans and the Lord of Time, and he was fearful that he would be overthrown by his children due to a prophecy that was given to him. And so every time his children were born, he would swallow them, and until his wife Rhea spared the last child, Zeus, and tricked him into eating a rock with a mixture of mustard and wine. Yeah, Percy's right. Then Zeus came back a few years later, caused his father to barf up his siblings. There was a war, and the gods won, and the three brothers, Zeus, Poseidon, and Hades, used Cronus' own scythe to chop him up and throw him into Tartarus, which is the deepest point of the underworld. Yeah, sure, Percy, I can hang back with Mr. Brunner. I'm in trouble. I'm in so much trouble. Yeah, you go outside, Grove. We'll meet you out there in a minute, buddy.